Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the lower ball joint on an '06 Ford Focus. Basically all we're going to need to do on this is we need to grind down these rivets. I'm going to use my cutoff tool first, and then I'm going to switch over to my grinder. I'm going to grind these down. Once I've done that, I'm going to start a starting point for my drill. I'm going to drill down through and hopefully punch these out. This is the third one I've done this week, so I've got a pretty good idea on how this is going to go. It's going to go really good. So stay tuned and let's get started. I'm going to use my Harbor Freight side grinder here. Now I'm going to switch over to my regular grinding disc. So you can see I've taken the bulk of this off with the cutoff tool, the cutoff disc. So now I'm going to use the grinder to get down to where I need to be. Now if you look very closely, you're going to see the outline of that rivet. One right there, one right there. You just barely see the outline, and the other one is right here. Alright, so what you need to do is you want to get the center of that as close as you can. Alright, so you can drill that down through. So just find the center, do the best you can on that. And then that's our starting point. Alright? See if I can do this one with the camera right in its way. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. The same thing with this one. Just like that. So now what will happen is I'll start drilling those out. Now you can keep drilling all the way through and then it'll come out the bottom and you can clean it out, but I found if I take the air chisel, alright, and just put the point piece on, sometimes I can kind of knock it out with that. Well, there it is. As you can see, I wasn't quite center, but you get the point. So what I'll do is I'll do the same thing on the other two right here. Alright, that worked out pretty good. So you can see what I did is I drilled down through. I didn't want to go all the way through. I did that once on another vehicle and the drill kind of got all caught up, and it was easy for me just to drill down as far as I could and then take the air tool and punch them down. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and remove it. And there it is. All right, I bought a set of these off eBay. I think it was 53 bucks for the pair, and it's going to come in a nice little package here. There it is. This brand new ball joint, and you're also going to get a new bolt that holds the ball joint into the knuckle itself. So let's go ahead and slide that in. So here are the new bolts that it comes with right here. So here's the new bolt that you're going to use to put back into through the knuckle to hold this ball joint on. So you're not going to need that right now. That's for another time. When you got the bolts here, just slide them down through. Well, there it is, not a whole lot to it. This was just to show you how to replace the ball joint itself, not going through the whole assembly itself, because I know I've been having some questions about how do I replace just this unit, especially if it's factory done with the rivets. I just drilled down through halfway or so, hit it with the air hammer, and I'm good to go. Put the new ball joint in, and you're pretty much all set to go. So I hope this helps with some of your questions, and thanks an awful lot for watching.